And it is house number 3. First impressions of this beauty.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. I love the facade.
It's big, it's classy, it's huge. It's the Burgundy from Beechwood, 5 bedrooms.
Five bedrooms.
5 bedrooms. Should we go check it out?
Let's
Why
check
not?
it out.
What do you think?
This is real opulent, man. So fancy.
So this is 5 bedrooms, as mentioned, and definitely a few different living spaces here. This is the main one with the kitchen, with the high ceilings.
Yeah, I think we're in love. This is
I'm
incredible.
speechless. I don't even know what to say. This is amazing.
It's double story, so there is again upstairs so much room and so much style. Should we go check it out?
Yeah, let's go.
For sure. You
Up
know how I am with
the
the room, so
stairs.
let's go.
It's amazing.
This is like a movie staircase.
The width. Wow.
This is
So
gorgeous.
it's big. It's really
Yes.
big. 2 walk-in robes. One is there. The other one is hidden. Have a look at that cupboard door behind you.
Oh, this is amazing. Look at this,
Look at the
babe.
size of it.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to get you guys to explore this beautiful walk-in robe through there. In fact, it's a dressing room. I'm looking at walk-in robes. Not even funny. It's bigger than my bedroom in my old apartment.
Oh, babe, what do you think of this?
This is extravagant.
Yeah, no, this is amazing. This is really nice.
Wow.
Oh, wow,
And they
Zayden.
got the storage as well.
Oh, yeah, nah, you know me, man. This is amazing. Look at the details of the tiling at the
Amazing.
back. It's
I think
really,
what
really
was
nice.
right. This is an amazing house.
Yeah.
Probably saved one of the best for last.
Yeah, great example of one of the 4 spare rooms in here.
Very nice. I like the size. It's very great for the kids.
Yeah,
Very good size, very cozy.
plenty of storage as well, which is what you need for the kids' clothes.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, no, it's pretty nice. Very nice.
Huge shower head.
Jacob would definitely love that, which
It's
is
a good space as well. Yeah, it's definitely growing on me. But I guess we got to see where it fits in the budget.
yeah, definitely for sure. Definitely.
So this is like a rumpus room, or it could be a media room. It could be anything that's at the top of the house, of course, at the back where the bedrooms are. You even have your own balcony here, which is just beautiful. Do you like it? It's very Hamptons.
Very Hamptons.
I do like it. I would have wanted like a butler pantry as well.
The butler's pantry, because that was on your list of things to do,
Yes,
wasn't it?
yes,
Yeah.
definitely. It was something that I
Open those doors.
open the doors.
Open the doors.
Oh my god, this is amazing. This is like literally like heaven to me.
This is
Shut
huge.
the front door.
Definitely a cinema room.
Yeah.
The kids will love that.
You could darken the walls out a little bit, put some blinds on, and make this an epic movie room.
The barbecue
Ticks out
spot.
all the boxes, all the stuff that we need. So
Yeah.
definitely like this.
Well, you know, you guys have got to start having a bit of a think, because it's decision time. This house is beautiful. It is the Burgundy from Beechwood Homes. They've got a great new website which you can jump on there and have a fiddle with floor plan ideas, get some inspo for the Hamptons. Go check it out. It is beechwoodhomes.com.au. And guys, after the break, it's decision time. We're going to find out which house it is you'll buy to build.